If you're a salesperson, an agency owner, or a founder trying to book more meetings, and you're still manually copying business data from Google Maps into a spreadsheet, this video is going to save you hours every single week. Today I'm going to show you the exact workflow to go from a blank screen to a verified list of local business contacts, to a cold email campaign that actually lands in the inbox. The whole thing, start to finish, in one platform. And if you stick around to the end, I'll show you why most cold email campaigns fail before a single email is ever sent, and exactly how to fix it. Hello everybody, my name is Matthew Coblin. I'm the founder and CEO of Lead Gen Hub, the all-in-one B2B lead generation platform. Let's get into it, guys. Why Google Maps is a goldmine for B2B leads. Section 1. Here's something most sales teams completely overlook. Google Maps is one of the most powerful B2B databases on the planet. Over 2 billion monthly active users across 220 countries, and millions of local business listings constantly updating in real time by businesses themselves. Think about who's on there. HVAC companies, law firms, marketing agencies, dental practices, IT service providers, roofing contractors, solo installers. These are real active businesses with real budgets, and most of them are completely invisible in traditional B2B databases like Apollo or ZoomInfo because they're smaller, mid-sized local businesses, not Fortune 500 companies. So if your ideal customer is a local business owner, Google Maps isn't just a good source of leads, it is your lead database. The problem? Pulling that data manually is painfully slow, and stitching together 5 different tools to do it is expensive and exhausting. That's what we're solving here today. Section 2, the old way versus the smart way. Real quick, let me show you what most teams are doing versus what high-performing teams actually do. The old way looks like this. Open a Google Maps scraper, export a CSV, manually clean the data, import it into a separate enrichment tool, manually upload it into your CRM, open another tool to send cold emails. Cross your fingers and hope it doesn't land in spam. That's 5 tools, multiple subscriptions, hours of manual work between every step. The smart way looks like this. Scrape, enrich, organize, send, land in inbox. One workflow, one platform. That's exactly what Lead Gen Hub was built for. And that's what I'm walking you through right now. Section 3. Step 1. Identify your niche and location. Before you scrape a single lead, you need 2 things, just 2. Number 1, your business category. Who are you targeting? Plumbing contractors, digital marketing agencies, cosmetic dentists. Number 2, your geographic target. What city, region, or zip code are you going after? Here's a pro tip. Get specific. Don't just scrape restaurants. Scrape Italian restaurants with 4 stars, or catering companies near convention centers. The tighter you're targeting, the more relevant your outreach. And relevance is what drives replies. 73% of B2B decision makers say personalization matters in cold outreach. And personalization starts before you write a single word of copy. It starts with a targeted list. Step 2. Scrape Google Maps data instantly. Alright, let's pull some leads. Inside Lead Gen, you've got a built-in Google Maps scraper, no code, no API keys, no browser extensions to manage. You type in your niche, let's say HVAC contractors, and your target city, let's say Dallas, Texas. Hit go. Lead Gen Hub pulls the data directly from Google Maps and extracts the business name, the physical address, the phone number, website URL, star rating and review count. In seconds, unlimited results. Now, quick note, the official Google Places API caps you at about 60 results per query and charges per request. For large-scale lead generation, that gets expensive fast. Lead Gen Hub bypasses those limitations, so you get the volume you control and you actually need. But here's the thing, a business name and a phone number alone won't book you meetings. That's where step 3 comes in. Step 3 is enrich contacts with AI. Raw Google Maps data gives you the businesses. AI enrichment gives you the right person at that business. Lead Gen Hub's AI contact enrichment layer takes every business you just scraped and automatically identifies the decision maker, the owner, the founder, the office manager, marketing director, finds their verified email address, surfaces additional phone numbers and LinkedIn profiles where available. Disclaimer, if none of this information is on their website, AI will never enrich it. And it doesn't matter what platform you're on. If the information isn't there, it's just not there. And this happens automatically in the same workflow, no ZAP, no CSV export, no manual import. Now here's why verified data matters so much, and I want you to really hear this. 17% of cold emails never reach the inbox because of bounced or invalid addresses, and every bounce damages your sender reputation. So sending a bad data doesn't just waste your time, it actively makes your future emails harder to deliver. The best sales teams don't buy recycled lists that have been sold to 50 of their competitors. They generate their own proprietary data in real time. That's what the workflow gives you. Step 4. Organize your built-in CRM. Here's where most teams fall apart. They scrape leads into a spreadsheet and lose track of them within a week. Lead Gen Hub has a built-in CRM and list management system, so everything stays organized in one central hub. Inside the CRM, you can segment leads by niche, location, or campaign. Tag contacts by status, new, contacted, replied, meeting booked. Track enrichment status across your whole list. Build targeted lists for different outreach campaigns. This isn't a bolt-on feature, it's designed specifically for the scrape-to outreach workflow, so your data flows cleanly from extraction to enrichment to sending, without any manual friction in between. Step 5. Launch automated cold email campaigns. Alright, leads are verified, organized, and ready. Time to reach out. Lead Gen Hub's automated outreach engine lets you build personalized cold email sequences and send them at scale, without losing the personal touch that actually gets replies. Here's what high-performing outreach looks like right now. Keep your first email under 80 words. Lead with relevant observation, not a pitch. One clear call to action, not 3 competing asks. Follow up 2 to 3 times. 42% of total campaign replies come from follow-ups. Never stop at one email. Subject lines between 36 and 50 characters. Consistently generate the highest open rates. And 61% of B2B decision makers say email is still their preferred outreach channel. It's not dead. It just needs to be done right. Everything runs from one dashboard, no switching between tools, no manual CSV uploads between your enrichment platform and your email sender. Step 6. Protect your deliverability. Okay, this is the section most people skip, and it's the reason most cold email campaigns silently fail. Deliverability. You can have the most targeted list and the sharpest copy in your niche, but if your emails land in spam, you are completely invisible. The average spam landing rate is 9.1%. That's roughly 1 in every 11 emails never reaching a single inbox. The elite senders treat deliverability like a product, not an afterthought. Their setup always includes properly configured SPF, DKIM, and DMARC records, dedicated sending domains, never their primary domain, systematic email warm-up, and daily send limits of 30 to 50 emails per mailbox. Lead Gen Hub has built-in email warm-up that handles this automatically. Your sending domains gradually build a prospective sender reputation before your campaigns ever launch, so your emails reach their primary inbox, not the spam folder. This is a feature that separates Lead Gen Hub from basic cold email tools. Warm-up isn't an add-on, it's built directly into the platform. Section 9, the full workflow recap. So let's put it all together. Here's the complete end-to-end workflow inside Lead Gen Hub. 1. straight. Enter your niche and target city. Pull unlimited local business data from Google Maps instantly. 2. Enrich. AI finds verified decision maker emails and phone numbers automatically. 3. Organize. Leads flow into your built-in CRM. Segment, tag, and build your outreach lists. 4. Send. Launch personalized cold email sequences with automated follow-ups. And 5. Warm up. Email warm-up runs in the background, keeping you in the primary inbox. What used to require 5 separate subscriptions now happens in one place. There you have it. Google Maps contains more local B2B prospects than most teams will ever be able to contact. The data is there, the opportunity is there. What most teams lack is a fast, unified system to extract, enrich, and activate that data into real outreach. Lead Gen Hub gives you that system. If you want to start scaling your outreach in minutes, head to leadgenhub.app. The link is in the description below. And if this video helped you, drop a like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments. What niche are you targeting? I would love to know. I read every single last one. We are going to be publishing weekly content just like this about sales, email outreach, and B2B lead generation. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.